fix this. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Before we get started, I just wanted to say thank you. I am beyond touched with all the messages and comments I got on the last video. I sincerely appreciate you guys more than I can explain. I'm on my way to Willow Springs right now because there's another track rental over at Balcony. Unfortunately, after the last video, I had to remove my harnesses in order to give back to Rob for his pro season because I was borrowing those. So I don't have harnesses. Unless I can find my stock seatbelts, I probably won't be able to drive. She sounds good. I love this car so much. So since I don't have harnesses, I'm gonna take private roads to the track. I understand, please do not try this at home. And let's go say hi to Rob and whoever else is up at the track today. So she's sounding a little louder than normal. Sounds like she's misfiring. Now look at that engine control, guys. Windy. Yeah, definitely looks and sounds like she's misfiring. The idle sounds a little rough. The car's kind of shaking a little bit. I definitely think Envy's misfiring a little bit. I still haven't seen Rob in a long time. I'm gonna drive her over there and say hi to people at the track. Oh, worst things in life than a misfire. Stuck. Oh, it's a windy one today. Hi! Who's back from Long Beach, Mr. McLaren guy?
Long Beach is fun, but Orlando is
With
gonna be
this.
lit. Look at this thing
It's
that looks
coming
like.
together.
It's still way apart. Like, which part of it? Like, if you don't look at
Yeah,
this,
I'll put my foot here.
you don't look at that.
Bro, the car
Like,
looks
look at that
great.
door. That door is lit.
Oh, I'm excited for you.
Yeah, a few long nights and we're Orlando.
Yeah, you got a few days till you take off? And
Yeah.
then a test and tune in there as well?
Yeah. Well, I can test and tune with it being naked.
That's true. That's true. A lot of it's really cosmetics, but I'm excited. So if you guys are going to be in Orlando for round 1 of Pro 2, make sure you go say hi to Roberto.
If you call me Roberto,
He's
then
gonna-
I know where the high is coming from.
And he will give you free hugs.
Whoa!
Oh, do you charge for that all of a sudden?
No. If you say Mr. Roberto, it's a hug and a spin.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say something. Hug and a spin.
Sounds good to me.
What'd you think I was gonna say?
I don't know, you put
It's
your
like a
hand-
hug and a rub, then it'd be a rub and a tug. Like, no.
Can I tell you something I thought was funny but probably isn't really funny?
It's about me.
My friend has a baby. It's her baby shower this weekend, and the husband sent out a flyer that said, bring diapers, and then you'll like get in this raffle. So I bought adult-sized male diapers.
I love that. See, that's like a good gift that he can't use. But he'd be like, thanks.
Yeah,
You should have been more specific.
Exactly. I mean, how do I know they
He's
weren't
like,
for
we're supposed to
him?
shower the baby. You're like, uh-huh. I hear you complaining all the time.
Exactly. We're terrible people.
As long as they're non-perishable, he'll eventually be able to use them.
Oh, touche, my friend. All right, I'll be back. I'm gonna go say hi to everyone at the track.
You in the stunt scene now, huh? Look over there. I need to block the sun from my eyes. No.
You need your nose picked. You got a booger hanging out there.
No, I have. Where's my binoculars? What about my telescope?
See you guys soon. So Rob was actually supposed to have a test and tune today, but it is way too windy for that, so they're buttoning up the car right now. I'm gonna go say what up to the guys up at the track, and also Rob reminded me of probably why my car is misfiring, and I may or may not have, I cannot confirm, forgot to replace my cam angle sensor, and that has been bad since the dyno. Can't confirm nor deny these allegations. Gotta love hair. Completely separate, unrelated ground issue. Come on, come on. That's the sensor. There we go. Like, I had to pass me, bud.
my fans weren't connected anymore, and then the coolant reservoir doesn't have a hose on the bottom of it, so I'm trying to decide if I want to keep driving or not and just take my shit home. Yeah, so I don't really know.
At least you caught it.
I know. But it was like all the way at the top. Like, you see this right here? Not the line where it stops, where the H is where the was.
That's like a...
I was like...
tight butthole moment.
Yeah,
I don't want to say it, but...
I'm like, I don't know what I want to do. Like, I could kind of, like, I was doing good today, so I'm kind of like, pack your shit up, go home, because you can just come out another day when it's completely 100%.
You've been here all day, though.
I know.
Yeah, you got some good seat time in.
Yeah. I don't know what the heck I want to do. I have no idea. I haven't decided. So I like drove it around Willow a couple laps, and it's like, now the temp gauge is like super low. Oh, by the way, my temp gauge hasn't worked until today, this entire time.
You know, you're saying that. You know, if there's one gauge we like, oil pressure aside, it's temp.
Yeah, it's temp gauge, definitely, for sure. Like, of all of them. And I was like, I need to wire my AEM gauge before I go out. Somebody texted me this morning, hey, you want to come? I was like, yeah, I'm coming, I'm on my way. So yeah, I don't know what I want to do. The guys are like, just run it, it's fine.
Of course they're like that.
I'm like, my poor engine, I like my car, it's finally running, I don't know if I want to.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I hear you. You'll think of what you want to do. I'm not going to sway your decision in any way. Drive it. So while I'm hanging out here, I'm going to go ahead and call AAA. I'm going to go ahead and call AAA so that it's probably going to take an hour anyways for them to come get the car. I may as well start that process sooner. So I'm going to call AAA real quick, but before I do, I'm sure you guys are curious as to what was going on with the injector and the fuel rail the last track day. Well, I didn't get a chance to actually properly sit down and look at it. Rob watched the last video and went straight to my car to diagnose it, and a couple bolts on the intake manifold were a little loose. So that's my B for not checking it. But I thought it was pretty comical that Rob like watched the video. He was like, I'm gonna go figure it right now. But the car's great. The misfire though is probably because I've yet to replace the cam angle sensor. Here goes Brianna.
Thank you for choosing AAA. My name is Charlene. Are you on the space location?
Yes, I am.
Glad to hear. How may I help you today?
I need a flatbed tow. So for those of you who follow me on Instagram, I hope you were able to take advantage of me throwing up those wallpapers on my story. I know I did, because this is now my wallpaper. And then I used the wheel one for my home screen. At least you're wearing a beanie and your hair is braided.
I made that mistake on Saturday.
Oh my god.
Yeah, buddy.
I was watching sparks come off of James Van.
I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you so much.
Yeah, absolutely.
Maybe I can drive next time.
Please do.
Good luck. Hey, I'm gonna get out of here so I can meet AAA. Bye. Good seeing you. Your dress looks sick. We'll drive again soon together.
I think something's actually loose in my front end because I just felt it right now. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, at least you know you felt it, so you know to come off. Right on. It was a pleasure. Take care. We'll
Good
talk
luck.
soon.
We'll see you
Thank
around.
you very much. Tell your dad I said bye.
I will. I think it's time to call it a day.
I want to drive so bad right now, but there's a time and a place, and my car is not safe to drive right now. So let's go get that taken care of so I can get some seat time. Hey, my name's Amelia.
Israel, nice to meet you.
You as well. Bumper's loaded up. Rob's gonna drop me off at the pre-pre. Rob is quoting my own vlogs right now as if I wasn't there.
I was having a conversation with you. I was just being you.
Oh, I too like to have a conversation with myself.
I mean, you were saying my turbo car needs a vent to atmosphere. And I was like, nah, 50-50 blend is, you know, it's a good start, but definitely going full vent to atmosphere.
Yeah, then I said, why are you going 50-50? Just go full vent to atmosphere, pussy.
Well, people on the interwebs say be like, oh, gonna run rich. No. You know what? You can't backfire sweet, nasty flames without full split-second rich mode.
And no cats.
What are cats? Oh, California. Oh, yeah. Catalina Gurus.
I got the bumper loaded up. Time to hit the road. Got here right in time. I'm gonna take her off.
Yeah, I think sounds good.
I think she's misfiring a little bit and doesn't want to hold an idle, but
It's cold.
so here we are back at Hermes Performance. Lewis and the guys over here, the ones who actually painted, matched, and did a little bit of fabrication work on the new bumper kit. How are you doing, my friend?
I'm well. How are you?
Good, long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a minute.
I saw you kind of looking in there with a little stink face like, what did I just bring you?
Yeah.
Do you see this? I'm sure you love that.
I loved that. I peeled off like an inch of rubber off the other side in the wheel well. It was great.
So I'm doing something right.
You're doing it right. You're doing it right.
So the last time you saw Envy, she left here looking pretty clean.
Yes.
I brought her back looking not so clean.
She was rode hard and put away wet.
I always want to say that, but I keep forgetting what the saying is, and now I've got it. She's got some tire debris all over the side. I feel like I've pretty much shaved off the paint on the insides of the wheel wells.
That is absolutely what that is.
And then of course she sat in the sun a couple of days, so birdies made love to her.
But nobody cares what birds think.
But yeah, so the idea here is that Lewis is going to do the interior of the car next. I still don't know of a color. I'm going to decide in the next 2 days. Right now I'm kind of just like, let's do everything, the color of the exterior of the car, the cage, floor, door panels, absolutely everything. But everyone keeps trying to talk me out of it, and I agree to an extent. There should be a contrasting color. I just don't know what that color is, so I feel like I'm resulting to saying, let's just do everything the same color. So I will have a final answer on that in the next day or two. I'm a little disappointed in myself that I would bring this car back without a bumper ripped off of it. Or without having wall tap something.
It means that you're good. It means that you're good.
We're not pushing hard enough. So you guys can see interior before. Take a good look at it because it's not going to look the same afterwards. Street Faction door cards. We'll do the rear seat delete. We have the heel plates, air freshener. And then of course we'll paint the A-pillars. You know, I think this is gonna look very nice when it's done. Of course, thanks to you.
It'll be amazing. It will be amazing.
This is long overdue. There is rust forming on the cage. It is so long overdue. I will see you soon. I'm so looking forward to this. Thank you so much.
Always a pleasure working with you.
Thank you.
All right, I'll see you.
All right, you guys, Hermes Performance. I'll put the information in the description below. If you need anything bodywork, fabrication-wise, one hell of a team here. Hopefully traffic isn't too bad now. I had to swan dive through the trunk again in order to get it open. I didn't film it, but it did indeed happen. There's something terribly wrong with me when I get out of a gnarly cammed V8 240 and straight into a Prius. Those two worlds just don't collide. Okay, I just got home. Man, that was a pretty long day. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, this time on the floor because these are rather large packages. And then I'm gonna go to bed. This is a very long letter that I really look forward to reading. I'm just not gonna read it on camera. But thanks for sending this. Bluetooth Professional OBD2 scan tool. Oh, this is sick. Lemur vehicle monitors. This is so appropriate considered I have a check engine light on the S14 right now. I could just leave this plugged in and then it's Bluetooth, and then I always know what code I'm throwing because I'm a little bit anal about that. So thank you whoever sent this to me. All right, we got 2 big packages now. Yo, I just got Shiba socks. Amelia, here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna wail. Mail! Thank you, Rob. It's a box in a box. says snacks on the side of this box. Oh my god, I just got a lifetime supply of Cheetos. The puffs too. Flamin' hot Funyuns, Doritos. Bro, I love you guys so much. Thank you, Rob. Last box. I know who sent this without even looking at the name on the box. Luke just sent me a potato cannon. Oh my god. Oh, I'm about to get in trouble with this. I just had someone send me a weapon in the mail. Oh, this is awesome. Heavy duty cleaning hand wipes. Okay, we're taking this to another level, guys. Sour Patch Kids sugar soda. I feel like I need to try this right now. Okay, that's actually very good. So much for a summer shred, right, guys? Slurpee sour gummies. Why have I never heard of this before? Some more watermelon Sour Patch Kids. Well, that's cool. I want you guys to know. People at the gym, they know me as the girl who rations out her sour candy to eat at the end of every workout. I am now known as this thanks to you guys. Oh, another stone. Scorpion with passion and coconut. I'm not gonna chug this right now, but this does sound good. Oh, this is for Rob. It says time-sensitive material in this box. I'm a little nervous now. Oh no! It broke in the box. Shivachino, I love this, but oh no, it looks like it got broken in the box. I'm gonna super glue it. It's okay, I'm gonna super glue it. I'm going to drink my morning coffee every single day with Shivachino. Shivachino. Say that 5 times really fast. This is upside down Shiva. I can't tell if this is a dog toy or an explosive because it is also packaged in the same box of other explosives. It does say chuck it, but I'm a little fearful of what happens when I do. I'm just gonna gently put this back in the box. I feel loved. I really do. Thank you guys. This is very surreal. I don't even know. I don't have the words. I'm honestly, truly grateful for you guys, and you mean so much to me. And at times it's a little weird because I feel like I'm talking to a camera, but I know I'm talking to so many people who I feel believe in me in a way. So there's that little cheesy sentimental thing. And I haven't heard about the test results yet. I called my doctor and he's like, I'll call you when I get the results. So with that being said, I am now on a sugar high. I gotta pop one of these. Alright you guys, you put a smile on my face. Thank you so much for watching. Ecrew, we out here with love. Bye! Alright, I want to go put my seatbelt on.